video, we are using Ninja Forms, a plugin for WordPress, to create a form that we can use for lead capture on our website or for customer interest, whatever it is that you want to do. So over here, you can see that I have installed Ninja Forms, the plugin. I'm using the free option on this for this tutorial. And up here, I'm going to click on Add New. Now, as you can see here, there are lots of ways, lots of items you can use here. Job applications, PayPal payments, Stripe payments, a questionnaire. You can choose many options, okay? Now, in my case, this is going to be a contact us form, and it's going to be for requests for services. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and choose a questionnaire. All right, now you let WordPress go ahead and pull that in. So obviously we're going to collect their information, first name, last name, email. Gender identification, I do not want that in there. So I am going to just simply remove that. Hold on one second here. Let me just get out of there. There we go. Email confirmation, gender identification. I'm going to trash that. There we go. Okay. I'm also going to trash the age, not something I need to know for my questionnaire. Okay. So up here, I'm going to put question 1, and I can make this, I can tell it where I want the form to be.